So, suppose in the 2026 QAMT Problem Solving Competition, you get given this problem. What can you do? So, a class of students is seated in a rectangular grid of 5 rows and 6 columns. So, let me draw that. 5 rows, so it looks something like this, and 6 columns. So, we have a grid like this, row 1, row 2. So, the rows and columns are numbered from 1 to 5, column 1, column 2, and so on. So, each student is asked to write down the product of their row number and their column number. So 1 times 1, 1 times 2, all the way 1 times 6, and then of course 2 times 1, and this is 5 times 1, all the way up to 5 times 6. What is the sum of all numbers written down? Right? Think about that. Maybe think about what is the sum of this row? Well, we can factorize out the 1, and the sum of this row is just 1 times 1 plus 2 up to 6, right? 2 times 2, 2 times 6. So what's the sum of all the numbers in that row? Well, that's factorizing out the 2, we get that. And in this row would be 5 times that. And now when we add all of these together, I can actually factorize out this 1 plus 2 up to 6 on the right-hand side, and on the left, I get that. So the sum is equal to that. Just imagine if you have, let's say, a big rectangle where the length of this is 1, the length of this is 2, and so on, and you're trying to calculate what is the area of this whole rectangle, right? That's exactly the same numbers. The area of this is 1 times 1, the area of this is 1 times 2, all the way up to 1 times 6, 2 times 1, 5 times 1, 5 times 6. So calculating this sum is just calculating the sum of the areas of these individual rectangles, which is actually equal to the area of the whole big rectangle, which has side lengths 1 plus 2 up to 5 and 1 plus 2 all the way up to 6. So to calculate the area, we just calculate the side lengths, multiply them together. So 1 adding up to 5, that's going to be 15. And 1 adding up to 6 is 21. So we take 15 times 21, which is going to be 315. That's the sum of all the numbers written down. And we are done.